Counterfeiting has been a problem for hundreds of years. And so there's a lot of solutions out there trying to solve this. No one can do it like us, where we've got a 100% secure solution that can be scanned with any smartphone.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. Joining me in the studio today is Tom Taylor. He's the CEO of Quantum Base. Tom, great to have you in the studio. Quantum Base about to list on the AIM market. Before we get into that, tell us more about the company and what you do.
Right, so we're Quantum Base. We've invented a small atomic fingerprint. It can go on anything and you can scan it with a smartphone and it tells you 100% if something is real or it's fake. So it eliminates counterfeits.
Tom, who are your clients? What sort of sectors do you target with this technology?
Right, so it can literally go on anything. To start with, we're looking at sectors like brand protection, so going on labels and protecting goods for consumers so you know what you're buying is real. We're also looking at pharma, so pharmaceuticals, making sure that drugs are safe and are what they say they are. And also tax stamps, so security printers who print things like tax stamps and secure documents. But it really can go on anything, so banknotes, passports, even aerospace parts.
So, Tom, what makes your anti-counterfeiting technology unique? I suppose it is a crowded room.
Good question. Counterfeiting has been a problem for hundreds of years. And so there's a lot of solutions out there trying to solve this. No one can do it like us, where we've got a 100% secure solution that can be scanned with any smartphone. And there's 7 billion smartphones in the world, so you've got the power to authenticate any good with the smartphone in your pocket.
Okay, so why have you decided to list on AIM?
AIM's a great place for us. We're a British company, we always intended to list on AIM. We really want to grow. Well, we're a fast growing company and AIM really helps us grow. So the capital and the sort of visibility and also the sort of independence, the credibility that comes from listing on AIM is really going to help us sort of keep growing and achieve our mission.
How much capital have you raised through this IPO?
We're aiming for 5. We're almost there. The book is still open. I think we're at 4.7 or so of the 5, and we list on Friday.
Tom, how do you plan to use those funds? How will you advance your product development and commercial expansion with them?
So it's mainly about growth, right? So right now, we've been a really bootstrapped company for about 11 years. This listing really helps us expand into all these different verticals. So a lot of it is going to growing the commercial team, but also growing the product into areas like banknotes and identities and the like.
Are you looking at expanding locally, expanding globally?
Globally. So our customers are all over the world. We're currently working with organizations from North America to Europe to the Middle East, and it's security printers, brands, and also government clients that are looking to protect their goods.
So what should your investors and your new investors be looking out for? What milestones lie ahead for Quantum Base?
Right, well, as we grow, bring on new customers, so we're looking forward to announce some big customers between now and the end of the year. Also new verticals and new industries. We work with partners to get us onto these new areas where it can be applied to protect things like pharmaceuticals. And then after that, really it is about becoming a highly profitable company as we grow.
Well, good luck with that. Give us your share code.
It's CUBE, Q-U-B-E.
QUBE, and you're starting trading on Friday on the AIM market.
That's right, Friday morning. Keep an eye out.
All the best with that. I hope you'll keep us up to date with the progress at the company.
Will do. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That's Tom Taylor, the CEO of Quantum Base.